All right, we're gonna make some salmon now. So what we did is took our fillets out of the freezer, unthawed them, and then we're just patting them dry, putting them on a baking sheet just to get the spices on them. Putting cooking spray underneath. Skin down. Season it with black pepper. And salt. Himalayan salt, Himalayan pink salt. And we're doing some smoked paprika, just kind of cover it. Using the blackening seasoning, the blackened seasoning. Just covering it. Okay, so now we got our skillet going. Add our ingredients here. Okay, we're adding our about a half a stick of butter to the pan. What's going to happen is we're going to put our salmon in the oven, but up here we're doing our sauce. So we're going to take the sauce and we're going to baste our salmon once it goes in, but we're just making the sauce right now. We got 6 cloves of garlic. We're just going to hit it with the fruit chopper. Add the garlic to the pan with the butter. And we're going to add 3 tablespoons of water. 2. We're just cooking this on just above medium heat, and 3 tablespoons of water. Right. Next is 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of sriracha. Ooh, that smells good. Give it a little stir here, just a little stir. We're gonna add our honey and lemon juice next. Maybe a half a cup of honey. Our honey. This is what we're going to use to baste our salmon with. Nice having 2 people. Okay, now we just need our lemon juice in here.
How much lemon juice?
Calls for 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. And we have a regular lemon here, so we're just going to do just gonna go ahead and do like most of the lemon, or half of a big lemon. If you don't have lemon, you can use lime too. There's our lemon. Okay, a couple more. There we go. Yep. Perfect. Oh yeah. Right, here's the
Just gonna add some Parmesan cheese to it.
There we go. That's it. Smells delicious. All right, this salmon's gonna get broiled for about 5 to 6 minutes, and then so you just push broil on your oven, and then we're gonna baste it for 5 to 6 minutes with our sauce as it sits in the oven. Okay, let's put it in the oven.
It's not ready.
It's okay. We're broiling. You got the sauce going, ready for basting. Okay, the deal with the salmon, you want to cook that just like it is for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, oh, that smells good. I can smell that smoked paprika. After 3 minutes, you want to start basting it, and then 5 to 6 minutes. So about 9 to 10 minutes total cook time on that at a broil. Keep a good eye on it. Keep your sauce stirring. Knock the heat down on this. And then we'll baste it. Give this a little sample here. Oh, that's really tasty. That's really good. You'll be happy with this. Nice and fresh, low carb. Freaking good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That was just growing in the garden. All right, the sauce is done. We're gonna go ahead and transfer it to a bowl. It'll make it easier for basting. All right, we just had a little taste of that sauce and it is freaking good. Now we're ready to baste. Oh, that salmon smells so good. We're just gonna put that on there, get it nice and coated. We're gonna caramelize that. That honey, what it's gonna do is just bake on there. It's gonna give like a sugar coating. I'm gonna baste that real good and put it back in there, and it'll get like a good coat on that. All right, that's the first coat. We're gonna put it back in for a couple minutes and then do it again. Ooh, look at that. You can see it boiling on there. That's gonna be good. Okay, we're going for a baste. Ooh, that smells good. Round number 2.
It's been about 3 minutes. I'm gonna put one more coat on.
Wish you guys could smell this because it just smells delicious. This will be our last coat, and then so we'll put it in for a couple more minutes.
Caramelize.
Yep. All right, we're ready to go. Take it down. Oh yeah. Let's try it. Still pretty hot. Give it a shot. That is really good. Oh, get some of that sauce on there too. Oh, it's got like a nice spice to it. Not too hot. Oh, that's good. That is perfectly done too. Yep. So if you let it cool, let it sit for a little bit, it's gonna taste even better. But right out the gate, that is outstanding. And it just gets better.